Coach and captain.
Yeah. Nah, give my $20 now.
Thank you very much, Rich, for a great game. Thank you, everyone, for turning up. Super proud of all of you. You've displayed a great sportsmanship, and would really like to thank all the boys for the season we've had. Brayden. Charles. Wayne. Steve. Kobe. Kobe again. Latrell. Juan. Shaylin. Tal. James. Jaleel. Kylan. Braithik. Locke. Chris. Where's Leighton? Leighton. Joe. Where? Coop and Brado. Oh, big round of applause for the runners-up the 2015 season. Very courageous effort from the Warriors. We can have the captain and the coach of the Lightning Ridge Redbacks under 15s premiership side up to the stage, please. Thank you. Thanks, Ronnie. Thank you, guys. Look, I'd like to start off by thanking Bourke for putting a great game on today. You couldn't get much better than that. I was pretty nerve-wracking over there. But it's Bourke are the benchmark side for the last 4 years. They're the team to beat, they always are. I'm just glad we were able to get up there and match it with them today. Well done, boys. It's a great effort. Keep it going. As for the Ridge boys, I've been fighting with you boys for 4 years. And I'm proud of you, though. He's done well today. He do deserve it. And I hope he's going on to keep playing a bit of football. Thank you.
Anyway, I just want to thank the Bourke boys for the game and proud all you boys for being on the side for the year. Thanks for the money, man. I also want to thank Bobby for being on the side for the year. Yeah, you know.
Okay, go on.
All right.
Control. Congratulations again. Highest try scorer up here today is Trevor Bailey. He didn't get his trophy early on. Come on, please, Trevor. 18 tries for the season.
Well done, Fred.
Turn around there, mate. And for today's man to match for the Ronnie Gift medal, today would be Gideon.
Go on, Gideon. Well done, son. Not hard behind. Right on. Tyrone Cochran, number 1. Number 2, Chris Forrester. Shelton Brown, number 3. Maxie McMaster. And Ryan Forrester. Kato Morgan. Noah Harrison's here. Lincoln Wood. Doug Hallett. Diami Bleasdale. Trevor Boney. Is anyone else left down there? Oh. We all leave. Oh, and Gideon. He's hiding from me. I thought he was already up here. Sorry, mate. Little Gideon.
We'll get a photo here for coming back late.
Oh,
boys, can you give us a smile out the front there?
I'll be on the front there, boys.